You should never put fake flowers outdoors. Here's why. The main issue is they can actually confuse pollinators such as insects and hummingbirds. And we see this a lot in situations where people want to have flowers, but there may not necessarily be someone that can take care of those flowers, such as near a grave site, or maybe it's at a commercial building where they don't have any sort of maintenance when it comes to taking care of planters. Now, I understand that you want to make those spaces look beautiful, and sometimes it's just not possible to take care of live plants there. But what can happen is sometimes an animal like a hummingbird will be migrating or traveling, and they will see those bright colors of the fake flowers, and they will go trying to seek some nectar or food from those plants. And since plastic flowers obviously don't have any nectar in them, those birds could actually be wasting precious time and energy trying to feed on the fake plants and not being able to actually get any food from them. And they could actually end up exhausting themselves or even dying if they don't have access to that food. So in those cases, like a grave site, you're better off actually not putting any flowers at all. That way, any birds that are passing through know there's no food here. I can just keep on moving to find better places to eat. I won't go as far as to say you should never buy fake flowers, but maybe just keep them indoors.